In a fast world, staying safe is your strength. Here is how to stay safe and in control. S. Stay aware. Awareness protects. Always notice what's around and within. A. Assess before acting. Pause and think. Smart decisions prevent mistakes. F. Follow your values. Your values guide you. Don't ever compromise them. E. Exit risky situations. Strength is walking away when it is not right. That's applying a technique to be safe. Stay aware, stay smart, stay safe. Thank you.